What's the meaning of bonzer? Bonzer. Bonzer.
Bonzer. Bonzer. Bonzer is a slang term that originated in Australia and New Zealand, meaning excellent or great. The word is often used to express satisfaction or excitement, and is typically used in informal settings. When someone describes something as bonzer, they imply that it is of high quality or exceeds their expectations. The term is commonly used in Australian English today, and is understood by many speakers of English around the world. Overall, bonzer is a positive and enthusiastic expression designed to convey enjoyment and approval.